Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Notion templates with duplication settings. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To verify Notion templates with duplication settings, start by opening your Notion workspace. Locate the template you want to verify in your dashboard or sidebar. Click on the template to open it fully. Once the template is open, navigate to the top right corner of the page. Look for the three dots or the icon, which represents more options. Click on the three dots to open a drop-down menu. In the drop-down menu, find and select the duplicate option. When you click duplicate, Notion will create a copy of the template. Check if the duplicate appears in your sidebar or workspace. Open the duplicated template to ensure all elements have copied correctly. Verify that all sections, databases, and pages within the template are intact. Next, inspect any linked databases or relations to ensure they function as intended. Make a note of any areas that may need adjustment after duplication. If changes are necessary, you can edit the duplicate without affecting the original template. After making your adjustments, save your changes in the duplicated version. You can then share the template with others, ensuring they can also duplicate it correctly. This ensures that everyone accessing the template gets the same experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.